Guys, welcome back to another video and you're watching Pikachu, and today we'll discuss about the investment. Okay, so basically investment one-on-one for beginners. Investment is necessary for everyone. You should start doing investment within this by seeing this video. Okay, so let's get started. What is investment? First, investment is putting money into something with the expectation of earning a profit. Types include stocks, bond, real estate, and mutual funds. Okay, now why should you invest? Okay, so investing is a smart way to grow your money over time. It's very smart. Instead of saving, do investment. It allows you to beat inflation, build wealth, and achieving long-term financial goals. It doesn't matter whatever your salary, start doing investment. At least 10 rupees a day is enough. There's a lot of apps like Grow or Navi to for the beginners only, and they are investing and also earning profit from it. So it is a good way. Like people say na, people think it is very riskful. Yes, there's some risk in it if you're putting some big amount, but if you're putting small amount, it's good. The reward is actually huge. Okay, small amount and huge reward. Okay, there's an app. Okay, and I am actually doing investment. You won't believe this, but I am doing and I'm earning. Earning your own money is amazing. So it is necessary to invest. There's a lot of apps going around. You should download one and start investing. It doesn't matter how much your salary is, it doesn't really matter. Investing from now gonna keep you a good financial wealth. Trust me on that. Now, types of investment: stocks, buying ownership in a company. Stocks, buying ownership in a company, like you buy a company. Okay, so it's stocks. Like it's basically done by the rich people or business person. Okay, money or they are the shark actually basically. So they basically do these things. Then bonds, lending money to a company or government. Company or government. Okay, bond means lending money from to company or bond or government. You can lend money. That's a bond. That's a bond you have created between the company or the government. So then mutual funds is investing in a diverse portfolio managed by a professional. Mutual funds basically a plan. Okay, it's a plan where you are investing your huge amount, and it's like a diverse portfolio. It's a plan basically created by a professional, and you just have to give money to them, and they will do all the works of your and investment and all. So yeah, these are the types mainly. Now the question is how to start investing. Start by setting a financial goal and researching your investment options. Consider your risk tolerance and diversify your portfolio for stability. First thing that you should have financial goal. Financially strong. Even though I'm not financially strong, but I'm using my father's money and investing on Navi. Okay, it's an app. I will link it down in the description box. Don't worry, I am making all it easy for you. Okay, so just you need PAN card number and all. Okay, then you can do your investment. 10 rupees investment, that's it. That's enough. You can get 50, you can get even 100, 250 per day, So yeah, just set a financial goal, then research your investment options. And first let you know that how much you can tolerate. Okay, this if 100 डूब गया तो ठीक है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 1000 डूब गया, ठीक है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. 10,000 डूब गया तो मुझे फर्क पड़ेगा, मेरी हालत खराब हो जाएगी. तो नो योर रिस्क. देन अगर तुमने रिस्क सेट कर लिया उसके बाद नो दैट तुम पैसे कहाँ से लाओगे और इन्वेस्ट करोगे, और तुम कैसे इन्वेस्ट कर रही हो, लाइक what company, looks the sales, look the buy कितने लोग वो बाय कर रहे हैं, कितने लोग सेल कर रहे हैं। अगर बाय का प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा है देन मीन दैट इज़ नॉट ग्रोइंग, और अगर सेल का ज़्यादा है तो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ ग्रोइंग, यू नो, इट इज ग्रोइंग, मतलब सेल ज़्यादा हो रहा है, वो बिक ज़्यादा रहा है वो कंपनी, और दैट प्रॉफिट में है, देन ओनली टेक चांस। ओके, फर्स्ट एनालाइज योर investment, analyze it. There will be graphs and all. Okay, it's not that difficult. I'm a beginner really. I don't know anything about it, but I'm promoting investment because it's needed. We need to earn money. Okay, it is a need for us. So I am a beginner, but I am investing, and I'm saying that I am earning my money. Like per day, sometimes I get 50, sometimes I get 100, sometimes 200, even 250, 300, even 500 I get. By just giving 10 rupees. So just go for it, just go for it. So that's how you start investing. Just set your mind, have money for that, and just do it. Instead of like people save money, there's no point of saving. At a point, if you're saving 20% at some years, like for 20%, 10 years, okay, not sorry. You're saving 1 lakh. Hmm. For 10 years. After 10 years, you will get the money or something like that. Okay. So after 10 years, you're gonna get the 1 lakh only. 1 lakh or something percentage matters, like 12% extra or something like that. But in investment, you can get double the amount you have paid or you have invested, double the amount. And those amount or profit you got, just save them. You will, after 5 years you will be a crorepati yaar. Seriously, I'm doing that way only. Now, investment strategies. So yeah, what are the strategies? It's clear. Setting clear financial goals, educate yourself about different investment options. Education is not needed, Experience is the best policy. If you are experiencing, just start by minimal investing. Then go by that, go step by step. It doesn't matter if you're educated or not about that perspective. I'm not educated about that, but I am taking the risk. Okay, risk of investing. It's no big deal. It's really not big deal, and it's very easy. Trust me on that. Okay, just go for it. Start by one step at least. 10 rupees per day is not that big amount or anything. 10 rupees you can invest. Okay, so consider working with a financial advisor or to develop a personalized investment plan. You can do that, or you can use this SIP is what it is automatically generated for you, and they will only focus on profits. So it is for the beginner purpose only. Take a SIP, just note it down. Okay, you can do that. Or if you have some big amount related, if you want to invest big amount, then you need for the professional help. For that only you will need a professional help, otherwise you don't have any professional help. Now, risk and rewards, of course, everything is based on risk. Business, if you want to do business also, then risk, you have to think about the risk. Actually, if you just think about the risk, now you can't do anything. So there are risks also, but at the same time, rewards is much, much more beyond your imagination. So just do it. Okay, investing involves risk, of course, but it also offers the potential for greater reward. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and seek professional advice. I would suggest that don't go for the professional advice. If necessary, like you're giving too much of money, like 50,000 or 1 lakh, then seek professional help. But other than that, I won't recommend you investing such big amount, because there's no point. Okay, there's this you can get lose, or there's a risk, but it's all depend on your calculation. And also, as a beginner, I won't suggest that, but I would definitely suggest you to give a minimal amount of investment to the investing app. Okay, so yeah. Now, the conclusion and the next steps. Now that you understand the basic of investing, it's time to take action. You don't know the investment planning and what else I can do. As I mentioned, for the beginners, is SIP. Do SIP. It's very easy. Okay, or there's a app Grow Navi. Install them and have at least 500, मतलब 10 to 500 का बजट तो हो ही, इन्वेस्ट करो and you will get profit surely. A lot of people are doing and they are earning money. Like मेरे कॉलेज में ही भरे पड़े हैं, वो लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं और उनसे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पैसे कमा रहे हैं. So start doing, okay. Even if you don't have your own money, just ask for from your parents. I am doing the same thing and I'm getting the money. I really, okay. So just start taking action on it. That's it, and thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then gives a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. Pikachu, 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 ta-da, ta-da.